Respected teachers and dear friends, good evening all of you. Today's date is 18th of April 2022 and our today's video topic is difference between checked and unchecked exception in Java. As we know that yesterday we have seen that the exception handling and what is it actually. So let's see what an exception is. Exception is basically an unexpected event which occurs in a program and which will disturb the execution or a flow of program. Whereas exception handling is means how we handle that exception which is occurred in a program. So as a developer, we must have a detailed understanding regarding the whole exception handling concept. So basically in Java, there can be a number of exceptions available. So Java has categorized exceptions in two ways basically. The first is checked exception and the second is unchecked exception. Checked exception means the exceptions which can be checked by the compiler at compile time, whereas an unchecked exception, the exceptions which compiler cannot check it during the compile time. So this means a runtime exception also. So let's see what are the different types of exceptions which can be occurred in a Java program. So let's start with a checked exceptions. There can be lot of exceptions like IO exceptions, SQL exception, file not found exception, etc. So let's see an scenario where a programmer want to access a file which is available in your desktop with the use of find file of a particular index or particular location. So in future the file may or may not be present in the particular address. So JVM can check it that in future the file cannot be present or present. So at that time it will show an exception. It can create an exception in future. So JVM will forcefully intend or forcefully to tell you that please provide an exception to this particular file. In another case, let's see, you want to access or read data from the user with the use of scanner or with the use of buffer classes, buffer reader. So a user can give whatever data as per his requirement. So there can be also an exception can be occurred. So there is also an checked exception which can create. So basically a compiler will force you to give an exception handling at that point. So we must declare a throws keyword at the signature ending of a particular method, or we must use a try catch block during that exception. So when we use a throws keyword after the method, basically a thread which is created during the method execution, he knows that exception can occur in a method. So a compiler cannot stop or cannot stop to that thread to go get into the method. So this is basically a checked exception. So whereas unchecked exceptions means a compiler cannot check that exceptions. Let's see, when in a particular program you have a number of logics or a number of operations, number of methods provided, or in some scenarios like arrays or in strings, you are trying to get the index which is out of bound from the array. So it is not checked by the compiler at the compile time. Whenever you run that program, at that time it is checked. So these exceptions are basically an unchecked exception, or we can say that runtime exceptions. So there are a number of exceptions available in runtime exception, like the first is arithmetic exception, the null pointer exception, index out of bound exception, string index out of bound exception, array index out of bound exception, stack overflow error also, memory out of bound error also, and lots of their present which are runtime exception. So in this case, basically you must need to give the handling or what give the handling to that particular exception. So with the use of try and catch block. As we discussed yesterday, what is try and what is catch block. So these are the unchecked exception. So let's see a scenario like you have a particular code and you might think that it can occur an exception in that. So in that case, you basically put that whole code in the try block and then give a solution or the catch throws exception in a catch block. So this is about the whole difference between the catch and checked and unchecked exception. There might come a scenario in real-time project like whenever you are working in a project, it can have your own exceptions. Like you can have your own exceptions. Like you have some website and some users are using that website with their user ID or password. So in that case, a user ID can enter whatever data he wants, or he can enter a wrong data also. So as a developer, we can create our own exception which is not actually provided by Java. So in that case, we just inherit all the properties of exception class in our class and we create our own exception with the use of throw keyword. Throw means basically it intentionally throws an exception which is provided by a developer or a user. So this is what an user defined exception. So there is a very small difference between user defined exception and Java exceptions, which are checked and unchecked exceptions. So this is about all the basic understanding about the exceptions in Java. Thank you so much.